It was a very volatile day, that's right. And there are a lot of IPOs in the pipeline that have been maybe not quite as hyped as Uber, but equally hyped up, especially these tech unicorns that have stayed privately valued for longer than they normally would and that are expected to come to market in 2019. Companies like messaging platform Slack, companies like WeWork, companies like Postmates. So there's a lot of kind of trepidation now given what happened with Uber shares. Investors blaming a couple of factors for that volatility in early trading for Uber. The first was just that general risk-off sentiment given these concerns over the trade war between the US and China, and that had some impact on overall market sentiment, though, as you saw, markets did close up despite Uber closing down. Of course, the red flags from Lyft's report earlier in the week were another big question. Lyft reported an over $1 billion loss in the first quarter, so investors are saying Uber is never going to be profitable either. And then, of course, we also saw these kind of driver loyalty questions earlier in the week. I was over at the strikes. The ability for Uber to maintain some of that remained a question. I do just want to give you a snippet of what Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi told Andrew Ross Sorkin on Friday about the pricing of this IPO. Take a listen.
Pricing a deal is an art, not a science. So we will probably have had it imperfectly, but we thought that at this price, it reflected the environment. And listen, the environment is uncertain right now. And any time there's uncertainty in the market, investors are going to be a little hesitant to put $8 billion of their dollars to work. And we wanted to put our stock with a group of funds who we know aren't just going to hold for the next week, but they're going to hold for the next year and hopefully for the next 5 years. So when we looked at the environment and we balanced how we really think of this company long term, this was a great result. $8 billion is plenty for us to build and grow on top of.
What kind of runway does that give you?
Very significant runway. We're quite confident about the road ahead.
So the Uber CEO, they're really preaching this longer term view. And the question is what shares will do today and this week after that initial kind of sentiment of trying to battle it out. But we'll certainly be watching Uber, we'll be watching Lyft, and of course the upcoming IPOs too.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.